Alrighty, so I went to Home Depot to do a quick tool haul for soldering, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, so I went to Home Depot, picked up a couple items. This is electrical solder. This is silver bearing rosin core solder. It is 1.6 millimeter or 0.062 inch. It's lead free. It's an 8 ounce. So it's a 1 pound container. I also picked up a 6040 lead bearing rosin core solder. Which you can also just do this as an unboxing as well. It's not for plumbing. It's made by Lincoln Electric. Contains lead. Speaker wire, motors, appliances, and wiring. This is also 0.062 inch or 1.6 millimeter. This was $10. This one was $15, but this one was a pound. And this is $1.97 for a 3-piece half-inch acid brushes. I'm going to be using these for flux as well as a few other items. I might steal one of these for my brake grease, or brake caliper, or brake pad, stop quiet grease. Can't remember what the heck it's called. Wait a second. I don't know where it's at. I'll probably steal one of these for my anti-seize. I'll probably have to get another pack, but one for anti-seize, one for brake grease, brake lube, and then one for flux for soldering, and then a little tracker. We get a couple more of them, and then we'll use the other ones for other things. But yeah, it was 30 bucks. That's what I picked up. Been doing a lot of soldering lately, and it never hurts. Item number on the 6040 lead for $10 is 352837, which is this little guy. And then part number on the large 1 pounder, 354114. And the brushes, they're XDX, which is Home Depot brand brushes, 1000012 Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.